Welcome to our tutorial on how to switch your Twitter profile to real estate on PC. Let's walk through the easy steps to update your profile to reflect your real estate expertise. To start, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can make the necessary changes. Next, find the button in the top right corner, labeled Edit Profile, and click on it. This will enable you to customize and enhance your profile. Scroll down until you see the option to edit professional profile. Click on this to access more detailed settings related to your profile. Now, click on Category to specify the type of profile you want. Search for real estate and select it to align your profile with this category. Once you've chosen real estate, remember to click on Save to apply the changes to your Twitter profile. Great job! You've successfully switched your Twitter profile to real estate on PC. Your profile now showcases your real estate background and interest to your audience. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to elevate your social media presence. See you next time.